What's up, traders? So I haven't done one of these formats in a while, and it's been requested by some of my friends, so I'm going to take this opportunity while I'm driving to talk about the upcoming Coinbase IPO. Now, everyone's been watching this. The news has been very bullish. They've got all kinds of users. They're making all kinds of revenue. Let's talk about some of the things to consider before you just jump in to this IPO. So let's talk about that first news. Of course the news is going to be bullish. Of course the news is going to be stellar. The press releases, the data that they're releasing, they would not go public unless the company was strong and at a potential high. I mean, these are smart people. And that's another thing. When a company goes public, you as the IPO buyer are buying those shares from the early investors. These are people that have been putting money in for years into a startup or the company, not seeing any return or a small return, and now is their time to get paid. The IPO is for them to make money. If you make money, it's more of an accident. It's not really for you to make money. It's not really done for the public's benefit. It's done for the early investors. You can make money off of them, but it's just incidental. So another thing to consider is a video that I did back in December about how to play IPOs. I wanted people to be patient. A lot of people buy IPOs, they go down, and now they're a long-term investor. Well, that's fine. That's fine. But if you really are a long-term investor, why don't you make that decision beforehand? And then if you are a long-term investor, look at some other IPOs and watch that video that I'm going to link, where I go through waiting for the first day, the first week even, of the IPO to go. Don't get wrapped up in all the craziness. It's not going to leave without you. If you're a long-term holder, it shouldn't matter if you buy it on day 1 or day 5. It's going to let you see price action set up some sort of a top, which once it breaks, becomes a much safer entry. Play that breakout of the initial high, because now you have some sort of confirmation that it's going to go up. Otherwise, you could end up with something like the DoorDash IPO or the Lyft IPO, where they just have gone up a little bit and not come back. Don't get caught up in that. Don't have your money tied up in something just because you believe in the company where it could be making returns somewhere else. Now, finally, Coinbase is, of course, one of the biggest exchanges. It's one of the most popular exchanges in the United States. It's been around for a very long time, helping normies to get their money into cryptocurrency. So it's a very well-known name. That's why a lot of people are following it. Probably most people, well, not most people, a lot of people that are into cryptocurrency got through Coinbase. So they're familiar with the platform. They believe in the company. They derive their profits from people trading, buying cryptocurrency. So for you to go bullish on that stock, for you to invest in Coinbase, you are basically saying, I think this crypto market thing is just going to keep on riding. That's the bet that you're taking, because their business is going to be directly tied to people's interest in cryptocurrency, how much people are buying, and the volume of the trading. So if you are bullish on cryptocurrency, this is a pretty good company to be invested in. But if you are looking on cryptocurrency to keep going up, why not just buy cryptocurrency as well? Or, a little more indirectly, one of the grayscale Bitcoin trust or Ethereum trust. That's another idea. So remember, the IPO is not done for your benefit, at least not initially. There's a way to trade it with a much better probability, a much safer way of trading it, which is to be patient and wait for price action to set up before jumping in. Don't jump in the first day. It's just silly. And then finally, remember that you're basically betting on the crypto market going up. If you're cool with that, then it's a good play for you. So those are my thoughts. Trade wisely, and we'll see you in the next video.